Alright, welcome back to the channel. Got a quick OBS Ford Super Duty video for you. Every now and then we get a truck on the lot and it sits around for a few months and we just wonder why. This one is one of them. 7.3 Powerstroke turbo diesel F-250. So as the ad says, it's got a couple faults. The paint's got some fade to it. It's original paint, the best we can tell. And it does have a couple little rust boogers. 250 bucks, that right there can be fixed, no problem. But we prefer not to hide it. It's gonna come back. If you wanna have it fixed, we'll gladly fix it, no big deal. This truck runs, drives, and operates great. We have driven it probably 300 miles, 400 miles. I can check the odometer, but good running truck. Fuel gauges work, both tanks work, sitting on Michelin tires. I think the fronts are mismatched, but Michelin's in the back at least. Alloy wheels have the typical corrosion. Bed cover. But this truck is solid. Very, very, very solid. Tow hitch on the back, plug on the back, 4x4 off-road package. Chassis is clean. Bottoms of the doors are in good shape. Rocker panels are good. I think the bottom of the door. This is not a rust bucket truck, guys. Not at all. Floor pans are good. Typical surface rust, but clean inside, clean outside. Dash is not busted up. Runs down the highway just fine. Carpet's clean. Floor shift 4x4. A little dirt from where we've been getting in and out of it. Headliner's actually intact, very good. The truck runs well. No check lights, no service lights, no ABS lights. It's a cold startup, other than I just moved it out of the spot. No chugging, no coughing. AC works. It does have some miles, but seeing this truck is believing. Perfect farm truck. Will run circles around you 6'7" or 6'4" in life expectancy. Won't outrun it, but it will run circles around it. Some scratches here and there probably would buff off. We have not detailed this truck worth a darn, just washed it, put on a lot. Front bumper's not rotten. Original front bumper, as you can tell from the fade. Original grill, original headlights. Good, solid, old body style, OBS Ford F-250, Powerstroke 7.3, turbo diesel. Still all completely factory. And the transmission shifts good also. So, if you're looking for an OBS stock condition truck, don't walk past this one. I don't know why everybody seems to miss it, but first person that looks at and drives this truck and knows what it is going to take it home. Thanks for watching. If that doesn't suit your fancy, check any of our other inventory at any time.